In this video, I'll show you how to add your bank details to Zoho Invoice so clients have all the info they need to pay you quickly. Start by going to your settings from the top menu. Then head to PDF templates under the customization section. Choose the invoice template you want to edit or duplicate it first if you want to keep the original intact. Click Edit to open the template editor. On the left sidebar, find Other Details. Then go to Payment Options. Click Add Bank Details and enter all the necessary info like your account number, bank name, branch code, IBAN, SWIFT, or any other details required. Once done, preview your invoice to make sure everything looks right. When satisfied, click Save. Now, every invoice from this template will display your bank details, making it easier for clients to pay you promptly.